Alright guys, this is Teddy Bailey, founder of Prime Timing Sports. This is a tutorial on how to work the PTS Philly website. This is for the writers, the new writers of our website, and how to navigate and what you really have to do on this website. You start out on WordPress.com, as you see right here, just WordPress.com, and you'll get here. I'll be sending you an email when you apply and get accepted. I'll be sending you an email with all the stuff. You log in, you make an account, all this. Then you come here when you want to write. You go to WordPress.com. If you're not logged in, you just log in here. Okay, I logged in. And then you're here and you're like, what do I do? Then you go to My Blogs, right, on the sidebar right here. You click My Blogs. And then you go to Prime Timing Sports. You don't want to click this, because if you click this, it will take you to the main website, and you don't necessarily want that. If you want to see all the features, you just want to click Dashboard right under Prime Timing Sports, and then you'll be on the dashboard of PTS Philly. Alright, and then you'll have the dashboard. On the left, this is what you really need. This picture right here, it shows everything, but you can't quick press, don't do it. Just don't do it. Alright, so you have this left. You have dashboard. Things you need to worry about here. You can see the site stats, which isn't accurate, so it only says we have 21 views, which is totally wrong. But it's cool to see where you get your search engine terms, and you get to see the top authors. This is obviously not correct. We get around a couple hundred a day, but that's just here to show. Alright, you don't really need to worry about anything else on here. The store, don't worry about it. Posts, this is what you need. To make a post, a blog. Here. A blog. Hold on. If you want to get a blog is an opinion-based article. It's not a news story. See, JR has his impact on the NL Central. It's his opinion. It's Christian's opinion on the 76ers. Alright? It's how the Thunder will play well this year. Alright? So it's where does he stand now, in my opinion. Alright? So it's an opinion. If you want to write news stories, you check out our NHL writer, Evan Riper. It's on the page. He writes recaps of every Flyers game. Alright? You need to have that there. Okay? So if you want to add a post, you click Posts, Add New. Alright? You click Add Post. Now here's how to make a post. Okay. WordPress is funky, and you can't really make a big heading. It doesn't matter, because you're on here, you're on the blog, and look. There's a heading right here. So you don't need to worry about that. Now, the big issue that I have with our writers is this thing right here. If you go all the way on the right here, click Show Hide Kitchen Sink, you have to click that. If you want to, it gets you everything. Alright, so if you want to bold something, you just click that. There. Italicize, unbold it, whatever. Quotations. Link it. If you want to link it, you click the link button, URL, and say add link. Alright? This is important if you want to make it a specific color, orange for Flyers, underline it, whatever, what have you. Okay? This is the big thing, is how to add a picture. If you want to add a picture, you click that. Alright? You click this icon. If you want to add a poll, which we don't always do, but I'm trying to get back in the habit of it, okay, is adding polls. I love adding polls. Alright, polls just, it gets the readers into the article, and, as I'm doing this tutorial video, we need to do that. Alright, we need to add more polls. Alright, writers, add more polls. So you want to click Add Media right here, Upload, Insert. There's a poll, there's a media. You want to click Media. It changed, guys. Click Select Files. We'll then select Andrew Yee's profile picture on Facebook. This is really awkward how I have it, but I know that it's here because for some reason I tried to download the PTS logo and it downloaded every Facebook picture of my friends. So, sorry Andrew. Alright, so yeah, it's a thumbnail picture. But here you go. Alright, then if you want to edit it, oh, caption, you just write your caption here. Alright, caption should be good. They're important. So right now it's aligned left. If you want to align it to center, it will align it to center. Left, I like left, but center works too. I really don't use right or none that much. If you want to make it smaller, you click the size and you go smaller or larger. You can't go larger on this, but there you go. If you want to delete it, you just highlight it and hit the X. Alright, moving on. Now categories. Categories is important. Alright, it shows you here. Categories. You see, I have 11. Sean has 10. I'm winning, guys. Alright, you want to click the category that your article falls in. Tags. Tags are... Oh, whoops. Tags are here. Recent tags, most used tags. Alright, you want to put tags in. This helps you have Google find your article, and it gets you so much more hits. More hits get you promoted, etc., etc. If there's been already 10 blog posts published in one day, and you want your article to be the head page for a couple of days, you want to click Publish, immediately Edit, and you want to click it to publish a different day at a different hour. This gets you headline for longer and probably more hits. Okay, that's really all you need to do. Media, don't really need. Links, don't really need. Pages. You just want to click pages. You don't want to click add new or add page. Just click the pages button on the left. You click that, and here you have everything. Okay, so Evan Riper, our NFL writer, when he first joined, he had no idea how to write a Flyers recap. You go NHL, edit, and look at that. You're right here, just like the post, and you have everything. I'm going to edit this picture just because I did not put it in left. See? Put it in left, it makes it look better. Even though this indentation is really bad. It's not his fault here, though. Alright. I'm not done. This still haven't done the most important part of this tutorial yet. Okay? And you want to click update. Update's for the page. Publish is for the post. You really want to click that blue button. If you're not done, click save as draft. That's important. There's your comments. You click that to see all the comments on the website. Feedbacks is the forums. You get to see all your applications and stuff. Bulls ratings doesn't really matter. You can check it out if you're really curious. Appearance, I take care of all that. Users, this is what you want to see. You want to click down to my profile. Alright, you see how my username is PTS Philly? If I didn't have this display name publicly as, if that was blank, when you went here and you saw one of my articles, this, the Teddy Bailey right here, would say PTS Philly, and that really just isn't professional. You see, Jeff just fixed it. It's Jeff Shanfelt, but it could be like Jeff Shanfelt with no spaces, and it really bugs readers. So you want to make sure that this is Teddy Bailey. You can fill all this stuff. I don't know. I did it because I don't know. I just did it. All right, guys. That really wraps up. Remember, opinion based on the blogs, but you know, it's pretty laid back here at PTS Philly. So I just hope that you guys have fun here. And if you have any question on what position you are, remember it goes guest writer, contributor, analyst, insider, correspondent, chief correspondent. You get promoted, demoted, and correspondent or chief correspondent just because I made this website. But that's the tutorial, and I hope you guys know what you do now. This is the dashboard. You just main problem, main key of the tutorial. get on the dashboard. Alright, guys. Thanks. This is Teddy Bailey from ptsphilly.wordpress.com. This will be on YouTube for every writer that wants to see how to write. There you go. Alright, guys. See ya.